Hello, hello, crafty friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I am stopping by with a fun memory decks card that I created for the Craft and Chemie July 2023 Scrappy Challenge. If you've never heard of the Craft and Chemie Scrappy Challenge, it's really super easy. You just use some Craft and Chemie products and make anything but a card. It could be a box, it could be a tag, it could be a bookmark, it could be ATC cards, it could be a memory decks card. The possibilities are endless. Super easy. In the description box below is linked the Craft and Chemie Stamps blog, where you can find out all the details, or the Facebook group, where there's also the details and an album to enter all your July 2023 creations for the challenges. We just are starting that one album for all the challenges. Makes it easy peasy. We'd love to have you come join us. Again, just grab your Craft and Chemie products and get creating. For my memory decks card today, for those that don't know, I started this last year, I guess. I am enjoying actually creating stuff for myself. We give so much of it away as paper crafters, but I am enjoying actually creating little itty bitty things for myself. So I'm really enjoying the memory decks. So today I used the Dino-mite stamp set. I love these fun dinosaurs. Goodness, words are hard today. There you can see a little bit. I keep the mask with it in case I need it. Just super fun dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs if you didn't know. So yeah, I love this set so much. So I used that. And then I used this die here, which is from Scrappy Boy Stamps. It's the Stitched Memory Decks cards. I think I have used this die the most out of all my memory decks card dies. I just love the sizes. They're easy, cuts it out beautifully. Yes, definitely. And then I used some old Stampin' Up papers and embellishments. It was the Dino Roar suite, I think it was. I'm not sure. But I have, like I said, I used some of the papers, and then I had these fun embellishments that went with it, so I used those. Always fun to go through your stash, correct? And so here is my little memory decks card. It just makes me smile. I love those dinosaurs. I kept the colors kind of the same as this background. I thought that maybe they would kind of be sneaky and blending in a little bit, except for this guy. He stands out. He's proud of who he is. You can see those embellishments. I must have used another die there that I didn't look it up. I'm guessing it's the Newton's Nook land border dies, which I will link below whatever it was. I leave the blank. If I'm sharing this like in a swap, I usually put my stamp there, but since it's for me, I just leave it blank. But yes, there is my anything but a card for the Craft and Chemie Scrappy Challenge. Again, get out those Craft and Chemie supplies, make anything but a card, and come join us. And until my next video, I hope you could do something for yourself. Go get crafty. I'll see you soon. Bye.